Now let me do overcasting stitch here. Now place the fabric against the fabric guide on this overcasting foot and then start sewing. You can use a matching thread, but here I am using a contrasting thread just to make it clearly visible. Now you see here I've done the overcasting and this part is yet to be done. Now you see here the fabric does not fray anymore. Now that's the reason you need to do overlocking or overcasting stitches to the edges. Let me also show the other stitch. Now this is another stitch pattern, that is 09. You can use either of